Hello students, we will study clipping in this video. So by now we have clearly understood what is the concept of windowing. So we know that window is a rectangular region where we can see or we can find the picture that we have taken, and here we can have the knowledge of clipping, that the part which is omitted, so we can call it a clipped image. Now we can only see the part which is inside the window. The part which is outside the window has already been omitted from that. So sometimes certain parts of the image are inside, uh, while others are partially inside. So these are two cases. Sometimes um, we have image in that some objects are inside and some are outside. Some object can be partially inside or they can be partially outside, so like that. So a clipping gives us complete information about whether an object is visible or invisible, so whether it's to be taken in the image or it is to be discarded. Here we have three types of lines present. First is visible, second is invisible, and third one is clipped. So visible is basically we can see in the case 1 window. This is rectangular window. Inside this window we can see three lines, and we can exactly see that these three lines are completely inside the window. So we are seeing them; they are visible lines. Second case is invisible lines. So we are seeing here uh, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there, but inside window there is none. So basically here invisible lines are present in case 2. Now we talk about case 3. There are clipped lines. Why we are calling it clipped lines? Because the window that we are taking is capturing only the partial lines. So the part of the lines which are outside the window is not coming inside the window. So that will be clipped. So the lines are clipped. Then we come to case 4. Here we can see mixed lines. One line which is completely inside the window and one line which is partially inside the window. So here we can see both the cases, that is visible line and then invisible, this, and clipped also. Here we have two images of window. Basically before clipping, yeah, or original picture was like this. One line was like this, one line was completely inside, two line was completely inside, and this line was partially outside, this line was partially outside, this figure was partially outside. So after clipping, what we get is that only the lines which are completely inside the window, that we can only see after clipping. Clipping only means that the portion of the lines which are not inside the window comes under clipping, that will be omitted. Here we will study about applications of clipping. So it will extract part we desire, means the part which is needed for us will be clipped and the other one will be left. For identifying the visible and invisible area in the 3D object, we need clipping. Then for creating objects using solid modeling, we need clipping. For drawing operations related to pointing of an object, then for deleting, copying, moving part of an object. So these are applications of clipping. See, we can find applications of clipping in various areas. Now we have types of clipping. First is point clipping, then line clipping, area clipping, curve clipping, text clipping, exterior clipping. We have to study point and line only. So we will cover in next video. Thank you.